My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Seat Tarraco. This vehicle has done 47,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control and cruise control as features. And on the right, we have our automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, navigation, traffic, images, settings, vehicle, full link, sound and air conditioning. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.